Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix iPhone call volume too low. You pick up the phone and use the built-in speaker to make or receive a call. The strange thing is that the call volume is very low and you can't hear the caller. You've tried to adjust the sound in a call, but the increase is barely perceptible. The volume of the receiver or the speakerphone is still lower than expected. Before jumping to conclusion, know that low call volume doesn't always signify a broken phone. There are plenty of reasons that could affect call volume and most have quick fixes. Alright, keep watching. Why is iPhone audio so low when on call? Let's look at some factors that are causing the call sound to be too low. The call volume rocker is set too low. Your iPhone is wearing a poor quality screen protector or phone case. The earpiece or speaker is clogged with dust or dirt. Software glitches, setting conflicts or malware is disrupting audio. Call sound is rerouting to other devices like Bluetooth speakers or cars. Next, this video will show you how to fix low call volume on iPhone. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 26. Work your way down until the iPhone volume low on call is resolved. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. 1. Increase volume during a call. Different from media sound, there should be an independent setting for in-call volume. You can only control the in-call loudness when you're on a call. When the call volume is too low on iPhone, it's possible that it's turned down to the minimum. To turn it up, here's what you need to do. Make a call or ask someone to call you. Once the call is connected, use the volume up key to increase volume levels for calls. The volume indicator bar shows up and rises on your iPhone. Now, you should restore audio to your iPhone on calls. It's advisable to raise the ringer volume, as this enhances the overall audio system of the phone. 2. Take off the protective case or screen cover. Inferior or misaligned phone case and screen protector glass will affect the sound quality. For example, one end of the protective glass with a cutout should go on the top of the screen, but some users mistakenly put it to the bottom. This could block the earpiece speaker and make the audio sound muffled. To test this possibility, gently remove the phone case first. Next, take off the screen protector. If the display is dirty, use a soft cloth to wipe it clean. Then, place a call. If it improves call volume on your iPhone, it indicates that the current case and cover are bad, so think about getting new ones. 3. Keep the receiver and speaker clean. iPhone sound low on call could be due to the dirt or buildups on the speaker or earpiece. Get a dry toothbrush or Q-tip. Dip it in rubbing alcohol. Give the ear speaker grill a quick scrub. Do that a couple of times until you think it's clean. Then, test the phone call volume again to see if the call sounds clearer now. 4. Turn on silent mode, then disable it. This helps refresh the iPhone's audio system to improve the call sound performance. Here's how to do it. Locate the silent switch. It should be situated at the top left side of your iPhone. Flip it towards the back to enable silent and wait for a few seconds. Flip it towards the screen to go back to ring mode. Check if you manage to fix low call volume issues and bring your call audio back to normal. 5. Enable airplane mode, then disable it. Network issues sometimes may lead to iPhone volume really low on call. To fix call loudness in this case, toggle on airplane mode, then switch it off. Here's what you need to do. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top left corner, or swiping up from the bottom. Find the flight icon and tap it to turn on airplane mode. After 1 minute, tap it again to disable. Now the call communication setting is reset. Try making a call with your iPhone and turn on speakerphone or use earpiece speaker. The caller should become louder. 6. Power cycle the phone. This old school method can fix temporary glitches when iPhone call volume is low. Here's what you need to do. Hold volume up and power keys together. If you use an iPhone with a home button, hold the power key. When the power off slider appears, release buttons and move it to switch off the phone. Keep it off for a few minutes, then press and hold the power key. When an Apple logo appears, release the button and let it boot up. Now, ask someone to call you and see if you can boost the iPhone's call volume this time. 7. See if the call audio is transmitted to other peripherals. Have you enabled Bluetooth on your iPhone? If yes, the device might be connected to a Bluetooth device. With that, your phone redirects the call to there, along with the volume of the call for the person you're talking to. If you suspect this makes the iPhone call volume low, here's how to check it out. Open Control Center. Tap the audio output icon. It'll open a drop-down menu. In the opening drop-down menu, see where the audio is routed. If CarPlay or a Bluetooth device is selected, the phone will redirect audio to them instead of itself. To fix iPhone call audio too quiet, just tick iPhone, then disable Bluetooth connection. Test call volume again and you should hear the sound now. 8. Update the iOS version. This can be done by heading to Settings. Tap General, then choose Software Update. The device will start checking the current latest iOS version that's compatible with your iPhone. If it shows a new iOS available, tap Download and Install to proceed. After the update, make a call and see if the voice is coming clear and you can hear anyone talking on a comfortable volume. For the users who encounter iPhone call volume too low after update, it may be wiser to wait for the next iOS version to resolve the issue rather than downgrading. 9. Visit the Genius Bar. Are you still struggling with the call volume problems after trying all the above fixes? The earpiece or the speaker on your iPhone may be damaged from drops or moisture exposure. If you're not tech savvy, it's best to turn to technicians who can test and access the device. Visit the Genius Bar at your local Apple Store or Apple authorized service provider for support. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix low call volume on iPhone. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in hearing the phone conversation clear and loud again. If you did, please consider liking and buying this video a super thanks. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more tech-related content. Until next time.